Wonder if you can guess what I've done. Bought something else on Wish. I ordered the little survival kit here, and I put it up in the ad here as I usually do. And what's turned up is this little pack, and I'm going to give all the bits and pieces a bit of a go and show you. But this is what's turned up. A little bit smaller than I expected. But I'll tell you one thing, I initially ordered it from Wish, and this is what turned up. And I went, wow, that's so light. Actually, what turned up was just a box which is smaller than this one with nothing in it. And I'll show you the ad for that just here. Very, very disappointed. Contacted Wish, got a refund. And this pack is pretty flimsy. I'm not even sure what I could put in there. I don't even know if I could actually fit an action cam in there. I don't think it'd be deep enough for that. No, I couldn't. Pretty much useless. But anyway, this is when I finally reordered it. This is what turned up. So I'll just go through quickly the bits I've got here. You may have seen these before. I got one for either Father's Day or Christmas a couple of years ago. Handy little objects. Difficult to put anywhere. You can't put them in your wallet, especially if you're going through airports. They'll take them off you. But number of features here. We've got them. It's basically a multi-purpose pocket survival tool, can opener, knife edge, screwdrivers, a flat screwdriver there, a ruler. I can only assume that's centimetres. Can opener, which we've got two can openers. Actually, these are a great little can opener. I don't know if anyone was in the military watching this. When you got your rat packs, your ration packs, you used to have the little can opener. That acts as that fantastic little piece. 4-position wrench, so you've got 4 positions there. I'm not sure what size those hex nuts would be, but I'm imagining they'd work on it from a flat point of view. Butterfly wrench, I'm not quite sure how that works. Number 7, where does it say? It says number 7. A butterfly wrench. Completely lost me on that one. Maybe someone could put that in comments, what a butterfly wrench is and how this is a butterfly wrench. Saw blade, feels pretty sharp. Direction ancillary indication. Wow, that's this circle here. So I imagine you would point that to the sun. Look, I don't know. Let's see if someone puts something in comments there, because it's no description other than direction ancillary indication. 2-position wrench. This one here, so smaller than those ones there by the looks. Okay, fair enough. And number 11, which is the hole, is lanyard hole. They're making that a feature. Well, wow, isn't that fantastic? So this is one of the things that came with this little pack. What they have here, which I can only presume is a Flint Steel, like a fire starter. And let's see if it'll make spark. Yep. Oop, put that bugger. Made spark all right. So that works. You beauty. I've had a couple of these that don't work so well. Oh, that. Hot. Little compass. And it's pointing at me. I know exactly where north is in the house. And I'm wondering if that. Yep, okay. Pretty close. Close enough to, if you're lost and you're looking to find your way out, you can use that. We have this little object here. Pretty crap whistle, But what we have in here is a little waterproof section which goes from about there, where my thumb is, to the end. So maybe you could cut some matches and put them in there and have a bit of striker for that. And there's a little, you can possibly put all these together if that was important to you. We also have this little multi-tool here. Wow, it has a torch on it. I wonder if it has batteries. Okay, oh, look at that. Isn't that exciting? It has batteries, so you've got to turn it. Okay, that's pretty good. Standard pair of pliers. I imagine if you were able to fish or do something like that, had some hooks. I have some other little survival bits and pieces I might do in another video, which are little survival cards where you pull stuff out. I might put those in here, and I think that would be great accompaniment. What you have here is a reasonably sharp knife. You have a small cross head or a Phillips straight screwdriver and a little saw. So in addition to the saw on this little tool here, you have another tool here. I think that's handy. It also comes in a little case. That's lovely. I have I think they're called bow saws. No, they're not. I think this is basically a chainsaw, not a motorized one, but a human-powered one. And I'm feeling it's fairly abrasive. I'll show you some footage after this of how this works. Interesting pattern there. What you do is you grip this with two hands and you put it around a branch, and then you saw, presuming it's going to do the job it says it'll do. We'll soon find out. And the other thing that came with it was an emergency blanket, and this is 130 by 210, so it'd cover me, and 130, I'm not sure, yeah, 130 would go around me. I could at least keep some water off me. All in a, let's call it flimsy, but this gear itself is rugged enough. I think that yeah, it's okay. It has a little cord here that you could attach somewhere with an adjustment as well. So all in all, I'd say finally, after getting the empty version, getting this for a similar price, I'm happy. So this is a wish win. I won't call it 5 thumbs up. I'll definitely give it a 4. But let's see how all this stuff works out in the field. Thanks for watching.